We are introducing a few new chat function in the 4.4 update. From the newly implemented Add Tools menu, you can now easily access the Painter tool and the new Advanced Data Analysis tool. The Painter tool, for example, enables generating images on demand during conversations, effectively blending visual creativity with dialogue. Then there's the Advanced Data Analysis tool, your new go-to for all things data. Whether it's data visualization or predictive analytics, it simplifies complex tasks, making them accessible right within your chat environment. And web access continues to provide uninterrupted online search capabilities. Upgrade to version 4.4 and experience the all-in-one chat interface today.